If you are between 15 and 35, living in a rural area and looking for formal employment, the first step can often be the hardest to figure out. The Deen Dayal Upadhyaya Grameen Kaushalya Yojana, or DDUGKY, is a government initiative built for you. It fully funds training and provides guaranteed job placement. Today, we are going to walk through the exact steps to register for this program officially, safely bypassing any scammers along the way. To start, you only need two things in your hands: your Aadhaar card and a BPL, or below poverty line, card. By the end of this guide, you will have a clear, actionable path to secure your education and step into financial independence. Step 1 is verifying your eligibility. First, you must be exactly 15 to 35 years old. Second, your official residence must be in a rural area. Because this program is highly valuable, fake agents often target applicants, demanding a fee to secure a spot. Do not pay them. The DDUGKY is 100% funded by the government. That government funding covers everything: your tuition, boarding, books, and even your uniforms. To access these benefits without dealing with middlemen, you have to prove your eligibility using official paperwork. This is where your Aadhaar card comes in. It legally verifies your identity and your exact age. Next, your BPL card, or Family Income Certificate, definitively proves your rural status. You must have both of these documents for the application to proceed. Take a moment right now to locate these two documents and make clear photocopies of each. Having these verified documents in hand is your best defense against scammers, and they are the only legitimate way to enter the program. With your documents ready, you have two official routes to apply: online or in person. For the online route, you will use the government's digital portal called Kaushal Pragati. On the homepage, navigate directly to the Candidate Registration button. This is where you will upload the details of your Aadhaar and BPL documents. If you do not have a reliable internet connection, you can complete this exact process offline. Simply visit your local Gram Panchayat or find an official DDUGKY mobilization center in your district. Walk in and hand your prepared photocopies directly to the official staff. Whether you click Submit online or hand over your papers in person, your data goes straight into the central system. No middlemen required. Once registered, your first step in the program is selecting a specific trade curriculum, like IT, tailoring, or electronics. You will then enter a professional classroom environment for a training period that lasts anywhere from 3 to 12 months. During this entire period, your housing, meals, and study materials are completely sponsored. The program enforces a strict rule for these training centers. They are legally required to place at least 70% of their graduates directly into formal jobs. The government's financial investment directly relies on you getting hired. That makes your success a shared, mandated goal for every instructor. Submitting your Aadhaar and BPL documents is the most crucial hurdle. Once that is done, the hardest part of the application is over. The result of graduating from this pipeline is a transition from a rural environment into a formal, structured workspace with active career support. The larger goal is to diversify your family's income and build a globally competitive skill set. Your first step starts right now. Go locate your Aadhaar card and your BPL certificate. Then use the Kaushal Pragati link in the description below to begin your fully funded path toward economic independence.